subject. However, when the noun clause is the subject of a sentence, we must use that. We cannot start the sentence with the tent is empty is obvious. It must be that the tent is empty is obvious. So here we can take that away, but when it's the subject, we must use that. Okay, let's practice. Let's practice noun clauses beginning with that. Lewis, what do you think of all-girl camps?
I'm surprised that they still have them. I understand that for children they should be separated. Teenagers want to have fun with boys and girls.
Good answer.
I know.
And Monica, what do you think about having lifeguards at camp?
I think it is good. I think that it's necessary. We don't want any accidents.
True, good. Rosa, what do you think is necessary at a camp?
I'm sure that a good camp director is necessary. I'm afraid that some camps don't have good directors.
Very good. Thank you. Now, I'm sure that it's a good idea that we look and listen. Look and listen. I am convinced that summer camp will be good for Bernice. I'm sorry to say Frank stole the hatchet from the camp. Denny was pleased that the children pitched their own tents. We hope that it won't rain for the big campfire tonight. Read and repeat. Review. Okay, it's time for some exercises. Well, this should be easy. Let's fill in the blanks with the correct question word. Rosa, you can go first. Is it what or where are the targets for the archery range?
Where are the targets for the archery range?
Good. Where are the targets for the archery range? Monica, this one's for you. How many or how much logs do we need for the campfire?
How many logs do we need for the campfire?
Excellent. How many logs do we need for the campfire? And now, Lewis, one for you. Why or how far is the lake from here?
How far is the lake from here?
Okay, excellent. How far is the lake from here? Great, let's do one more. This time there is no choice. You just have to use your own brains. Who's going to go first? Let's do Monica. Something does the campfire something.
What does the campfire need? It needs more wood.
Great, okay. What does the campfire need? Okay. Lewis, here's one for you. Something camp should we send Michael to?
Which camp should we send Michael to?
Fine, good. Which camp should we send Michael to? And Rosa, here's one for you. Something hammock is this?
Whose hammock is this?
Very good. Whose hammock is this? Thank you very much, everybody. Now let's do another one. Each of you give me 2 sentences using noun clauses with question words. Lewis, you're a lifeguard. Rosa, you're a camp director. And Monica, you can be a camper.
Okay.
Okay, Lewis?
I don't know how many swimmers are in the water. I don't know when I should put my t-shirt on.
Okay, good. Rosa?
I couldn't hear what the children were singing at the campfire. I don't know who the next camp director will be.
Wonderful. And Monica?
I want to know what time we should get up. And I need to know whose sleeping bag to sleep in.
Okay, excellent. Thank you very much. And now let's do one more exercise. Let's pretend we're at camp and the weather is bad, okay? And we'll use sentences with if or not, or whether or not. Okay, Monica.
I don't know if I should bring my raincoat.
Good. Rosa.
I can't decide whether to bring extra clothes or not.
Okay, good. And finally, Lewis.
I want to learn whether it will stop raining.
Great job. Okay, one last exercise now. This time I'll start a sentence for you, and I want you to finish the sentence using that and a noun clause. Rosa, you can go first. It is strange.
It's strange that all the campers are in their tents.
Good. It's strange that all the campers are in their tents. Lewis, one for you. I am hoping.
I'm hoping that there are no accidents at the archery range this year.
Me too. I'm also hoping that there are no accidents at the archery range this year. And Monica, Kevin is disappointed.
Kevin is disappointed that his cousin can't go to the camp with him
Disappointed.
Kevin is disappointed that his cousin can't go to the camp with him
this year. Great job. Thank you very much,
Thank you,
everyone.
too.
You're welcome. And now it's time to listen and write.
Listen and write.
Listen and write the sentences. Number 1. Where are the tent stakes? Number 2. Why aren't we bringing more bows and arrows? Number 3. How many bags of marshmallows do we need for the campfire? Number 4. What is the new camp director like? Number 5. Sheila couldn't decide where to pitch the tent. Number 6. We need to know when the children want to swim to the raft. Number 7. Where the axe was hidden shocked me. Number 8. Eileen couldn't decide if she should bring a sleeping bag or not. Number 9. Theo wonders whether or not to chop some more wood. And number 10. Andy was amazed that little Ben could use the big axe. Now check your work. Number 1. Where are the tent stakes? Number 2. Why aren't we bringing more bows and arrows? Number 3. How many bags of marshmallows do we need? Number 3. How many bags of marshmallows do we need? What is the new camp director like? Number 5. Sheila couldn't decide where to pitch the tent. Number 6. We need to know when the children want to swim to the raft. Number 7. Where the axe was hidden shocked me. Number 8. Eileen couldn't decide if she should bring a sleeping bag or not. Number 9. Theo wonders whether or not to chop some more wood. And number 10. Andy was amazed that little Ben could use the big axe. Now read the story and answer the questions that follow.
Read and answer.
Camp Babcock Hovey is a camp for Boy Scouts. Where is Camp Babcock Hovey? It is on beautiful Seneca Lake in central New York. How many Boy Scouts go to Babcock Hovey each year? It's difficult to estimate how many go each year. There are usually between